Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create badges in Bootstrap 4. First thing is going to be the linking the Bootstrap 4, then we'll just copy and paste this. Right, and here you can see that it already have a lot of headings from 1 to 6. It's not a main thing of the video, but the thing is the badge. Okay, so let's see how it is made. First, you need to put it somewhere. You can put the badge all alone, but it will be very small. Then you put span with the class of the badge, and then a badge and a color. As an example, here's the secondary. But if you put primary with blue, if you saw my last videos, you have learned the color tutorial about Bootstrap, tables, links, and a lot more. There are a lot of names that will tell the color that it will appear. Then you close the span and close wherever you want. You, of course, as I was saying, can just put it all alone, but it will be very small. It will be the lowest size possible, right? And here you can see that I have any display, not any heading, but I have all the colors that you can choose: primary, secondary, success, danger, running, info, light, and dark. Okay, I have all those, so you can use it. Now I just put a BR in there, and I put a lot more badges. But now the peel, instead of putting on the badge and the badge color, I also put the badge peel that will make it rounded corners. You see? So I just put side to side so you can compare them both. Look different, right? Look different. Now finally, the thing that looks more what you want is the identification. You can simply put a button of the type button, the class that's the button and the button primary, the color you can change to danger as an example and to red. Okay. Then you put a message, that's the text that will appear in the button, and you add a span with the class badge and badge whatever color you want. In this case it's light, right? It could be info, so it could be this color, right? It's something necessary. Then you put the 4 before the span ending, so it will be the number of notifications as an example, right? If you connect it to PHP and MySQL to your databases, it will look very good. For this video, everything. Don't miss any video about Bootstrap. Thank you guys and see you soon.